In our new production plant here in Biessenhofen, we make hypoallergenic baby foods. We've divided up the process into three parts: the liquid food area, the dry food area, and the filling and packaging area. In the first of these, we manufacture the basis of the products, which is then transported to the core part of the building, the 22-meter high spraying tower, via an inline metering system. After the spraying tower, the mixture is transported to inline mixers that add specific ingredients to it, and then it goes directly to the filling area to be packaged in tins or pouches. The product is sold all over the world. Manufacturing hypoallergenic baby food is such a complex process that it would be hard, if not impossible, to manage without computer-aided process controls. In addition, it's important to be able to replicate each step of the process. This is why a safe, high-availability automation system is essential for us. Rockwell Automation and Nestlé have a strategic relationship that goes back many years. The advantages of Rockwell Automation include the high performance levels of the automation systems, along with their availability around the world. Rockwell Automation delivers the underlying technology that Nestlé leverages to standardize its own automation processes, an important factor in ensuring product safety. Nestlé has already implemented several projects with Rockwell Automation and Endress+Hauser. Both companies have adapted their products and systems to the special requirements of the food industry and provide worldwide availability and support for systems and applications throughout their life cycle. Within the production plant, complete process steps need to be carried out, monitored and documented. The goals of these activities are as follows: to optimize tolerance levels and the ability to reproduce processes. This is achieved using high-precision metering equipment and by making the data available in real time. Quality assurance and batch traceability are additional goals in this area. To increase the flexibility of machine and process functions, to avoid losses and the need for reworking. The principal expectation is clearly the use of structured, modular process and automation technology that allows us to develop products faster and more flexibly. Also, the standardized system and software helps us to mitigate risks and reduce costs. Metering systems that capture and measure process and product characteristics are a central part of our automation concept, as they support safety in our food manufacturing processes. The introduction of energy-saving and preventative maintenance initiatives generates new measurement tasks. These include the measurement of the amount and source of power consumption, as well as operating hours and machine conditions. We believe EtherNet IP is the most suitable network technology to achieve our goals. It provides a single secure network and better output quality while optimizing operating performance. One of the main points here is the standardized physical architecture, which has many benefits, such as easier planning and installation of the SCADA and I/O networks. The fact that the I/O networks can also be monitored with centrally managed switches makes it much easier for us to detect and correct problems quickly. Another reason we selected EtherNet IP was its performance and flexibility as regards the connection of new devices, such as the Coriolis mass flow meter from Endress+Hauser. Using industry standards facilitates maintenance, increases availability, and helps us to make any necessary changes more quickly. We're also expecting the systems to be fairly future-proof. The extra work involved in integrating the various systems has really been worth the effort, because it gives us centralized access to most of the information transmitted by the devices. That allows us to detect any problems much faster, before they cause machine failure. We'll certainly be continuing with the EtherNet IP approach here in our production plant, but that will also depend on how many devices are available with an EtherNet IP interface. Our relationship with Rockwell Automation and Endress+Hauser was already important to us before this project. We're continuing to work together here in the factory on various levels, including in smaller projects. So there's nothing stopping us working together in the future.